Hello, Luke Bouchard here, and this is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw and reduction. I forgive myself for believing that my fears about the future are real. Okay, let's go to my reduction now. Our fears about the future serve only one purpose, and that is to keep us out of the here and now, and therefore disconnect us from Source. Yes, it's true that our fears may come to pass. However, right here, right now, none of this is happening. So focus on the present and appreciate what is going well to reconnect with peace. You know, if if I ever was able to tally up all the time I've wasted worrying about the future and things that are not going to come, I think I would have given up a good chunk of my life about the stuff that I worry about and see as problematic. And it is the domain of the ego that wants us to worry about the future. The ego does not want us to be in the here and now. It doesn't want us to be present. It wants to constantly be focusing on what could go wrong and have you be vigilant for that so that you can actually have a greater disconnection from God. So, what are you worried about in the future? What troubles you? What keeps you up at 4 in the morning with the fears that what might come to be? And have you had that experience where you've had a lot of worry about something and then it turns out to be not to be true? It's like, I forget who said it, but there's nothing to fear but fear itself. And was that true? Not Truman? Was that Roosevelt? I'm not sure who it was. Well, I think it was an American president that said that. But it's this focusing not on the here and now, and it's a way of actually not taking responsibility for your happiness because you're being vigilant and you have to worry about the future. Now this image pretty much speaks for itself. It was obviously fall when I shot this. We have this leaf that is being, it's turning brown and consuming, and this kind of represents in some ways people that have physical not injuries, but diseases. That is kind of, like this would be an example of cancer where you're being consumed by it. And, and not to minimize what people go through in any way with cancer, but there is a tendency to not be in the present. My father died of cancer. I've have family members who have struggled with cancer, and it's consuming, and it's you're not present, and it would have you actually not focus. And the body is just a vessel. The body is just a what it doesn't do anything except for what we tell it to do with our mind and our thoughts. And that's why so often the what we're going through physically is a manifestation of what we are mentally. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to get your own set of forgiveness declaration cards, here is the website, and you can email me if you're Canadian and talk about Canadian prices. And I hope you have a great day. And you can worry about the future. Don't know if it gets you anywhere. I don't think it does, except for out of the here and now. And we know what happens when we do that. We're tortured when we're not in the present. Take care now.